Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating a Valentine's Day manicure. Just to give you guys an idea of what you guys can do for Valentine's. I'm planning to do maybe one or two more manis for you guys, so just stay tuned for that. For this manicure, I'm going to be using this brand new Joy plate, and the reason why I'm using this is because it has some roses, so I want to have roses on my mani. You guys know I love roses. So this one is right here is Joy 126. And it's beautiful, you guys. It's a layering plate. I also used a Beauty Big Bang XL 025, and I use her. I already created one. I will create one for you on camera. So this is how she looks. She looks really pretty. Alright, you guys, so this is ready for me to use. So that's why I use the Beauty Big Bang. And I'm also going to be using this Joy 060 because it has the words love or I love you. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, but that's what I'm going to use. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and then I'll be back to talk to you guys at the end of the video. I also have a white base for this mani, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So let me just show you how my mani looks. I want to show you guys before I actually top coat. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys, if you guys are new on doing reverse stamping, I would recommend to let it dry completely and peel it like a sticker, and then before you actually place it on your nail, grab some of that clear polish and just, you know, apply a thin coat over your base, and then let it like not dry, but you know, let it get all sticky, and then peel your sticker and then stick it. So I hope that makes sense. Don't do what I did, because sometimes when you apply it like straight from the stamper, you just gotta know when it's ready. Otherwise, your image is gonna mess up. It's probably gonna end up all smush on your nail, and you don't want that after all that work you already did. So this is how my nails look. I'm gonna have to clean up and top coat. So just wanted to tell you guys, when you top coat, make sure you, especially if you're new, make sure you barely touch your nail, because I don't want you guys to end up with a smear image, because that could happen too. So just be very careful and try not to go over the same spot, because that could smear your image too. So barely touch it. On your second coat, you can just go ahead and do it perfect, but on the first one, please, it's very important that you guys don't smear your image. Otherwise you're gonna end up with you guys see what I did. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. So I'm trying to fix it here. Kind of mess up the bottom one. Dang it. Okay, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. I mean, should I? Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that off camera before it dries, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I kind of went over with my cleaning brush and just kind of went very carefully in the top. Still didn't do a good job, because once you smear your image, it's just gonna be very difficult to actually fix it. But you guys, just, that's what I'm saying, be very careful. The thing is, when I'm trying to record this on cameras, it makes it very difficult for me to you know, do everything. But you know, I gotta show you guys. But that's what I wanted to tell you guys. When you actually top coat a reverse stamping, be very careful. Actually, when you top coat every stamp nail, you gotta be careful, but especially with the you know, with reverse stamping. Now here I have I need to get rid of that part, so I'm just gonna get some acetone, and acetone will help your sticker, your decal stick to your nail. It's just kind of messy. That's okay. Reverse stampings look really nice. So once you're top coat, your reverse stamping is going to stick to your nail really good. Again, be very careful. And notice that I don't care about the cuticle area. I'm just going to go when it dries with my cleaning brush. There you go. So I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna clean, go wash my hands. So this is how my mani looks. I'm actually in love with this mani. So let me just show you one thing. So here I have a matte nail. Of course, I applied some matte top coat. I also applied some matte top coat on her, and hopefully you guys can see the difference. I think I like the matte top coat better. What do you guys think? Let me just show you. Matte top coat and just regular top coat. I don't know, you decide what you like. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Happy Valentine's in advance. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.